I also bought some Type-C USB charging cable, 2 of them, the same model. It was like $1.50 on sale, 1 meter length. And as you can see, it isn't simply faster. For digital devices, long, strong and durable. Yeah. On the website it says that it protects the battery of the phone. It doesn't charge as fast as the others. It says 1.2 amps max. I don't know at what voltage it achieves it. But on the website it says it has some circuitry in the plug, in the bigger plug. So it will reduce the current automatically, or when the phone says it needs less current. I have no idea what this does. But let's open up one of them. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, doesn't want to come out. In this long package there's a tiny little cable. Look, the package was this long and the cable is whoop, just a little wimpy cable. But yeah, it's Type-C. Can you focus? Focus. Yeah, Type-C. Cheap Chinese Type-C. And allegedly in this plug there is some circuitry inside. I won't open up one because this is not for me. This is for a Type-C device. I don't have any here, so I can't even try it out, but I wanted to show you how a $1.50 1 meter long cable looks. Kind of thin, but it doesn't look too bad for the price. I mean, the plastic cover here has some faults. I don't know if you can see it, but not a big thing. Manufacturing error on the surface, but who the fuck cares? It's nice, I think. So yeah, the brand is Joyroom. Be young, be brilliant. S-L352. SU series. No, SU Joyroom. Okay, SU.